Imagine having one long-form content piece and instantly turning it into Instagram captions, Facebook posts, and more, all with AI on autopilot. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, student, or just someone curious about AI making life easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can build a simple AI agent using N8N, a powerful open source workflow tool. We'll connect it with AI, Google Docs, and Notion to create a smart content repurposing agent that works while you sleep. Want to learn more about what N8N is? We've already made a dedicated video. Check it out here. Before we jump in, here's what you'll need: N8N account or your own self-hosted instance. Ollama installed and running locally for AI generation. Check our video linked above to learn how to set up and run Ollama locally. You can use any LLM like OpenAI or Anthropic. You just need to get an API and set it up, which might cost a little. An active Notion account with integration access. A Google Doc that contains your original content. Let's go step by step to wire this together. Start by placing your main script or blog post inside a Google Doc. This will be our content source. You'll also need the doc ID, which is in the URL. Example: we'll also create credentials from Google Cloud so N8N can read this doc. Go to Google Cloud, create a credential, and enable access to Google Docs API. If you need a detailed explanation on how to do this, please watch our N8N introduction video linked above, where we create API access to Gmail and Google Sheets. In Notion, create a database with fields, title, channel, and post content. Simply select the type of the field and give a name. I have already created a database with these fields. Go to More Options, Connections, Develop Integrations, or directly to Integrations URL. Create a new integration. Give it a name, like N8 Stream AI Poster, and choose the workspace. Under Capabilities, give access to read content and insert content capabilities. In Notion, go to More Options, Connections to verify the newly created integration. Also note the database ID from the URL. You will need it to add to N8N later. Note if you get an error with the database ID because the URL doesn't have dashes. You can manually insert them every 8, 4, 4, 4, 12 characters. Let's create the N8N workflow. Start with a webhook node. This will be our trigger. Use the Google Docs node. Authenticate with your credentials and read the content using the doc ID. Let's start the workflow with these two nodes and see how we can use Postman to send a post request with the title and doc ID of the script. It executed successfully. See how we extracted the doc ID from the script parameter in post request, and how it managed to extract the content of the Google Doc. Next, we need to call Ollama with a prompt. Use the HTTP request node to send the extracted content to Ollama. We can use a post request to do that. If you are running N8N in Docker, make sure you give the correct URL with host.docker.internal. We will send two JSON type body parameters. Model Llama 3.2. Prompt. Write a short emotional Instagram caption based on this blog post and attach the content extracted from the Google Doc in the previous node. We can execute this step to see if it works. You can see that the output Ollama generated is in fragments. We should consolidate them before sending them to the next step. Let's create code node and write a short code to clean them. I will share this code in the description. It is not very complex. It reads the data generated from Ollama and consolidates only the text content from the response field into a variable called instapost. Now we need our agent to write the generated text to Notion. Add a Notion node to create a page. Then we need to create a credential to connect to Notion. Let's go to Notion integration and get the internal integration secret and add it to the Notion credential. Next, select Database Page as the resource. If the connection is successful, you can simply select your database name from the list in the database field. Let's execute the previous node so we can see the input data for this node. We need to pass the data for each field in our table. Get the title from the request. Set channel as Instagram. Post content is the cleansed response from Ollama. That's it. Give a name to this workflow. Let's check the database is empty and execute the workflow. Now open Postman. Send a post request with the title and script and watch the magic unfold in N8N's execution panel. And success! Jump to your Notion database. Your AI-generated content is waiting for you there. This is just the beginning. With a little imagination, you can automate newsletters, captions, reports, anything. N8N gives you superpowers, and AI is your assistant. Don't wait to be replaced. Start building your agents today. Like, subscribe, and share this if it sparked an idea in you. Let's build smarter.